everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video you'll learn to make Christmas tree, and for that I'm using this annual report. You can use magazines or any other reports or books that are lying at your home which are of no use to you. So I had also made a wall hanging using annual reports, so do check out that video. Link will be in the description box. For making Christmas tree, I'll be folding all the pages of this report in this way. After folding all the pages, I am left with front and back cover of this report, and now I am going to cut both of them. So now roll all the folded pages and secure it at place with hot glue gun. I am using spray paint in gold color to paint this. If you want your tree to be pointed on top, then make a paper cone and put it on top of this tree and secure it at place with hot glue gun and do a spray paint, and you will get a pointed tree. Since I don't want it, so I'll place star on the top of the tree. Now I'm using all of these and I'm going to put this in transparent thread and roll it around this tree. So you can also stick these items around the tree with the help of sellotape or hot glue gun if you don't want to use transparent thread. So this completes my video. I hope you will try this, and if you do share pictures with me on my Instagram account or on my email ID. Link will be in the description box. So thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel, do like and share my videos, and do hit notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video.